Health Secretary Jeane Freeman has claimed the outgoing chief of an NHS board did not accept any accountability for a crisis he presided over, as she refuted accusations she lied about overruling him to halt the opening of a new children's hospital. The chief executive of NHS Lothian, Brian Houston, quit his job in January after claiming there were fundamental and irreconcilable differences with Ms Freeman. He also accused her of telling a lie that she overruled a decision of the board and halted the opening of the new Sick Kids Hospital in Edinburgh after problems were found with ventilation, water systems and drainage in the new building. In a scathing rebuttal, Ms Freeman told MSPs that Mr Houston did not accept the conclusions of his performance appraisal, and made clear that she did overrule NHS Lothian, which she said favoured a phased opening of the new building. She said that if Mr Houston or any other chair does not accept any accountability for the situation that NHS Lothian finds itself in, and despite having significant additional resources and support put into it, then he has a different idea of the role of chair than I do or than I acted upon when I was the chair of a national board. She added, "What I expect from our chairs is very clear. They require our support, they require our challenge, but they also require to accept their accountability." Mr Houston did not accept that. He did not accept the conclusions of his appraisal. In that situation, when someone does not accept that more work could be done, it is very difficult for us to continue in that productive relationship. In those circumstances, Mr Houston chose to resign. Speaking at Holyrood, Ms Freeman said that she decided to stop the new hospital opening on July 4 last year because patient safety could not be guaranteed. She added, "I instructed a complete halt to the transfer until I could be assured that patient safety in every area of that hospital met national standards." NHS Lothian's preference at that stage was to attempt to rephase occupation over the following weeks and months, including DCN, Department of Clinical Neuroscience, moving in as planned, and ambulatory paediatric services moving in later in the summer of 2019. Ms Freeman was responding to an official question by Tory health spokesman Miles Briggs. Mr Briggs said that Mr Houston's account paints a worrying picture of a toxic culture. He added, "The board of NHS Lothian has been treated, in his words, with utter contempt." His account raised a fundamental question of trust. But Ms Freeman stressed that she continues to have a productive relationship with NHS Lothian. She added, "I also think it is clear from my dealings with boards across the country, and from my actions in this chamber, that I am the least likely P for more on this story. Visit the news article link.